My dear aspirants, welcome to DSC Biology 10th platform. Nervous disorder could occur due to the deficiency of which vitamin in our diet, that is biotin. Which of the following is a water soluble vitamin? Ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C. Nicotinic acid and pantothenic acid come under vitamin B complex. Both B and C vitamins are water soluble, hence the answer is all the above. Breaking down of large fats into small globular structures is called emulsification. The enzyme that converts peptides into amino acids is peptidase. Transport of products of digestion from small intestine to blood is called absorption. The simple substance formed after fat digestion is both fatty acids and glycerol. Which of the following nutritional disorder occurs in children due to protein deficiency in diet, that is kwashiorkor? The discharge of undigested material from the body through anus is called defecation. Accumulation of water in the intracellular spaces is seen in which of the following nutritional disorder, that is kwashiorkor? Fertility disorders could occur due to the deficiency of the vitamin tocopherol, that is nothing but vitamin E. Pernicious anemia occurs due to the deficiency of which of the vitamins in our diet, that is vitamin B12, that is vitamin B12 is nothing but cyanocobalamin. Villi are the structures present in which part of the alimentary canal, that is ileum. The longest part of the alimentary canal is small intestine. Eating citrus fruits could prevent which of the following deficiency disorder, that is scurvy, because scurvy is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid, and citrus fruits are the very good source of vitamin C. Hence, eating citrus fruits could prevent scurvy disease. Glossitis occurs due to the deficiency of vitamin B2 in our diet. Read the statement and choose correct one. Intestinal juice is also called gastric juice. This is a wrong statement because intestinal juice is called Saccus entericus. Salivary glands are 3 pairs in number. This is a true statement because in case of human being, parotid, sublingual, submaxillary salivary glands are present. The thoroughly chewed food in oral cavity is called chyme. This is a wrong statement because the thoroughly chewed food in oral cavity is called bolus. So here 1 and 3 are false and 2 is the true statement. Which of the following nutritional disorder occurs in children due to proteins and calorie deficiency in diet, that is marasmus? Cod liver oil and shark liver oil are the richest source of vitamin A and D. Which of the following is not a fat soluble vitamin? Of course, vitamin C, because vitamin C being ascorbic acid, it is water soluble, whereas vitamin A, E and D are fat soluble. So in the given multiple choice, vitamin C is not a fat soluble vitamin. The last part of the alimentary canal is anus. Thank you very much.